This video, we're going to do a brief demonstration of how easy it is to tie in Scribe Online to some smart devices, and in this case, our Amazon devices. Now, by this point, many of you out there actually have some of these Amazon smart devices in your home. You might see them in your office. They've mainly been used for playing music, getting the weather, starting timers, the whatnot. But what we're starting to see is the need to have these as part of your smart enterprise. In this case, what we're going to do is use Scribe Online to get more value out of that. So in Scribe Online, we have a concept of a event map, in this case request reply. This allows us to have an integration that is exposed as a REST endpoint that can be invoked from anywhere on the world, any kind of device, any kind of custom scripting, in order to call into this integration service. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. What we're going to do is we're going to tie that into a Amazon custom skill. So we can see here I've created a skill called Scribe Online, and it's got a lot of different commands I can give it. The one we're going to talk about is getting orders. So what I want to do is I want to go and pull back any close won opportunities from today from Salesforce. What I would traditionally do is I'd come here to Salesforce, I take a look at this, I can run a report, but this could be a little bit a lot of work for me and a lot of overhead to just constantly come in here. It's going to interrupt my workflow. What I want to do is, as I'm going through this as a sales executive, when the thought comes to mind, I want to blurt it out loud and have that response come back to me. In order to do that, we've simply exposed some request reply endpoints in here in our Lambda function. So with a little bit of Node.js inside of here, we've been able to make some really simple calls, call it to Scribe, bring back a set of data, parse it, and have it tell us something from that Amazon side. So what we end up with is the ability to now have a custom verbal report where I can say, Alexa, ask Scribe Online, how many orders today?
You have 3 orders, totaling $5,190.
So now you can see how easy that is, that I can have these devices on my desk, simply ask that question and bring back that valuable information. In this case, again, we use that Salesforce example, but this could be something where I want to pull back pipeline, I want to pull back any kind of escalated cases, I may want to just find out interesting facts around the business, I may want to interact with Intelli to go do new things and initiate other integration processes. So it makes it really easy for me in order to use these things in my enterprise. It makes it very simple from a development standpoint to create these new custom skills. And this Lambda function code that you saw up there, that's available on our dev portal. So dev.scribesoft.com. You can go out there and take a look at it yourself. If you have one of these smart devices, you can feel free to take that as a baseline example and build your own integration workflows around those verbal commands. So I hope you found this interesting. Again, go take a look at dev.scribesoft.com and let us know any kind of feedback you have and more interesting things you've done with the platform as well.